Hello, it's Mr. Smith, and today we're going to play the song Morningtown Ride, which is the story of a train. So we have a picture of a train, we have my train whistle. It has 3 chords, which are C, F and G. C, we know, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, bottom string. F, we know, 1st finger, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, top string. And G, 1st and 2nd finger, and the 2nd fret on the 2nd and 4th string, and the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. So the C, F, and G. The pattern stays the same through the song. It's C for 4, F for 2, C for 2, F for 2, C for 2, then G for 4. So it goes C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, C, 2, F, 2, C, 2, G, 2, 3, 4. And it repeats that throughout the song. There's a strumming pattern I've written down here, which shows you how you can strum. You can just do basic 4 is fine, but to get the noise of the train, if you do down, down, this, the down arrows and up arrows show you whether you're strumming down or up. So it's down, 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 up, down, up. So we go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So that's the strumming pattern. I've written the words for the chorus there as well, which repeats. And we know the song from singing assembly anyway, but if you don't know the song, you can join in with the chorus at least as we get to know the rest of the words. So let's do morning. I've also got a tambourine on my foot, so let's do Morningtown Ride. Train whistle blowing makes a sleepy noise. Underneath the blankets go all the girls and boys. Chorus, rocking, rolling, riding out across the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Driver at the engine, fireman rings the bell, Sandman swings a lantern to show that all is well. Rocking, rolling, riding out across the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Maybe there is sunshine where our train will ride. All the little travellers are warm and snug inside. Rocking, rolling, riding out across the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Somewhere there is sunshine, somewhere there is day, somewhere there is Morningtown, many miles away. Rocking, rolling, riding out across the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. There we are, all aboard for the Morningtown Ride. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.